Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Ibotta is a cashback and rewards platform that allows users to earn money back on their purchases by redeeming offers, submitting receipts, and shopping through the app. Users can browse a wide range of offers on groceries, household products, clothing, electronics, and more. After making a purchase, they can take a photo of their receipt, and Ibotta verifies the eligible items and credits the user's account with cashback. Once users accumulate a certain amount, they can cash out their earnings via various payment methods, including PayPal and gift cards. Here are 9 ways to earn money from Ibotta. 1. Redeem cashback offers. Browse the app for cashback offers on products you plan to purchase. Activate the offers before shopping, and then purchase the eligible items at participating retailers. You'll earn cashback for each qualifying item. 2. Link loyalty cards. Some retailers allow you to link your store loyalty cards or accounts to Ibotta. This enables automatic cashback earnings without needing to submit paper receipts. 3. Mobile shopping. Ibotta offers cashback for online shopping. You can earn rewards by clicking through the app to your favorite online retailers and making purchases. 4. Refer friends. Ibotta has a referral program that allows you to earn bonuses when you refer friends and family to the app. You'll receive a bonus when your referrals sign up and redeem their first cashback offer. 5. Mobile bonuses. Ibotta frequently offers mobile bonuses, which are additional cashback rewards for completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones within the app. 6. Teamwork bonuses. You can join or create teams on Ibotta with your friends and family. When your team collectively reaches certain goals, everyone on the team earns teamwork bonuses. 7. Brand-specific bonuses. Ibotta sometimes offers bonuses for purchasing specific brands or products during promotional periods. These bonuses can significantly boost your earnings. 8. In-store purchases. Ibotta often has offers for in-store purchases, including groceries, household items, and personal care products. It's an easy way to earn cashback on your everyday shopping. 9. Cash out your earnings. Once you've accumulated a minimum balance, usually $20 or more, you can cash out your earnings through various payment methods, including PayPal, Venmo, or gift cards.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.